Kia ora guys, welcome to another Flip video session. Today we are learning about interjections. Let's get into it. Hey, are you paying attention? What are interjections? Interjections are words used to express strong feeling or sudden emotion. They are included in a sentence, usually at the beginning or at the start of a sentence, to express a sentiment such as surprise, disgust, joy, excitement, or enthusiasm. When using interjections, think of what its purpose is. What are you trying to show by using it? Example, so these interjections show emotion. Wow, bravo, ouch, oh no, hooray. These interjections show greetings. Hello, hi, hey, yoo-hoo, bye. These show agreement with something. Sure, nope, okay, yeah, no. These ones are sound effects that we can include, and they're interjections. Yikes, eek, oh, yuck, phew. So, make sure you highlight all of the interjections you have used in your writing. Ka pai guys, good luck.